We're in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. I didn't video all the way up here. I'm sitting next to John. John, have you enjoyed our trip? You have, haven't you? John only wishes he had all this fur. We just got done eating. We're going back to the hotel and we're going to go to church tonight. The convention center is just right across the street from us, which, cameraman, watch my cues, which works good for a woman walking in this and this. So, anyway, we're looking forward to a great time. We're going to have competition tomorrow morning, and I think I figured about how many voices singing? 50 something voices singing, so we're excited. But we just stay at Berg Steakhouse, is that the name of it? Yeah, and I love this chair. I need one of these chairs. This really is appropriate for me, don't you think? All right, so y'all look. Good morning, good Wednesday morning. We are getting ready to go compete. We have to wear our little badge to get in, and we're gonna go compete, and really need to get my voice warmed up this morning. And so John's getting changed, and then we're gonna go compete. Really just sing for the Lord. This is where we're staying. There's the Gatlinburg Fire Department. Nice little place. It's a nice little place. Our room is remodeled. Woo-woo! Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? You haven't been sung to that like that in a while, have you? Say hey, pretty baby. Yeah, I'm trying to warm my voice up. How's that knee holding up?
I said good.
Good.
It's doing good.
Well, y'all cleaned up very well today. Yes. Guys, we sang this morning in competition, or really wasn't competing. It is a talent, but I don't think there's another large choir competing against us. And so we walked down into Gatlinburg, very commercialized area for lunch. And John, of course, I was walking back. He went and got the car to help me. And I said, let's go riding. It is 65 degrees. 64 now. And we are out in the natural part. We're in part of the Cherokee, the Great Smoky Mountain Park.
Motorized nature trail.
Motorized nature trail. And so we're just not into the hustle and bustle of all the little shops.
Give me the road less traveled.
We like getting out and seeing the beautiful roads, and this is the road is actually separated. We're fixing to go back down the other way, but I was just going to show you how brilliantly green everything is this time of year. This is a beautiful time to come to Gatlinburg because summer it's hot, and February when we've been before it's cold, but this is a beautiful time.
This is the Rainbow Falls up here.
Oh, we can't go.
Hike in on it.
Yeah, I'd love to see it, but Mama ain't hiking with no boot. Yeah, that's the trail going up there. Rainbow Falls and Bullhead Trailhead and Parking. We can't do that this time. But isn't this beautiful? You just got restrooms up there, it looks like. A lot of people out and about though, aren't they? Because the weather, I'm telling you, just a little nip in the air, and it's just so beautiful today. Just beautiful up through here. Look at this.
Beautiful, gorgeous.
Beautiful, wonderful, glorious, marvelous. That's part of our song we sang this morning. I'm so proud of our new choir. We did great. We've had great fellowship. We're on a one-way trail right now. Here, what you got?
There, what it looked like down the hill.
Oh, is it drop down?
Oh yeah, it dropped down. up this trail. You know me, I gotta hit the trail. Get up on the pinnacle. Yeah. Now we're getting somewhere. Trail goes off.
What you thinking?
I think it's pretty down here.
It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I stinking love this. Man. Got a bunch of rocks there, babe.
Yep. Boulders.
Hey, but this is a state park. It's so beautiful. I love that. Have I ever told you how much I love that?
Yeah, I've heard that a time or two.
I love that about as much
I've
as I
heard
love
that.
you.
Yeah, right.
I love this. Oh, let's try and get her. Don't you love it? Don't you love it?
Love it.
You love it half to death?
Love it.
Boy. I wonder what those are. Wow, those. Oh my gosh, those are awesome. You're not thinking about it, are you? Don't you do it?
It's the rock hound looking for rock.
More beautiful water. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. I bet you that water is so cold. This is all coming down from that big waterfall. Wow. This is what I'm going to have in my yard when I get to heaven. Like up to huge waterfall. And this is the waterfall coming down. John, pull down just a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. You see that swift water coming down from the waterfalls. Isn't that beautiful? You just hear the water everywhere. It's so nice.
Tranquil.
If I'd been a really good YouTuber, I would have filmed a lot of it, but I didn't. I believe we're going to see some more down here. Oh yeah, this looks like a good photo place. Is there any place to pull though? No. But I'll just take it slow over the... Yeah, oh yeah, this is beautiful. This is gonna be pretty right here. Oh wow, hear the water. How awesome that is. Look at there. Isn't that beautiful? Alright, stop. Let me get the picture.
Sun bursting through the sky.
Got evidence.
Seriously.
Y'all were too serious. Why don't y'all?
That's a pretty group of women right there.